Hi guys, is your car full of scratches and watermarks? Has it lost its beautiful shine? Then it's a high time to polish and coat your car's paint. Polishing your car will remove all those ugly stuffs that make your car look so imperfect. Now, after your car is fully polished and looking like a brand new car again, with a sparkling shine, you can apply a layer of waxing or coating. Don't just polish your car and go, leaving your car's paint bare. It's like you're going out in the hot sun without a sunscreen on your beautiful face. Waxing and coating will protect from harmful elements like UV ray, acid rain, bird poop, tree sap, and so on. Pex Auto Spa is offering an awesome Merdeka promo to beautify your precious possession because your car represents your personality. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get notified on our next interesting video. Signing off, Sharon from Pex Auto Spa, your favorite car detailing center. Thank you.